Put your eggs here. Fresh and white eggs are here. Wiggle, wiggle, yellow middle. That's the best of what you are. I love an egg. White and tender, surround the center. Cozy.
Hi guys, I am Nana Grace Tiwagatsay and I am with my partner. And partner, can you please introduce yourself first?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, classmates. Good morning, everyone. I am Andre Gigargo and I am the partner of Diana. And our title is Exceptional Drop from Different Height, Surface, and Materials.
So, the problem in this experimentation that's need to be solved is how does the height from which an egg is dropped affect the chance of it breaking?
So, sa hypothesis po namin, ang hypothesis po namin is the higher the height from which the egg is dropped, the greater the force of impact, increasing that the chance the egg will break. Ibig sabihin po, yung hypothesis po namin is kung mas mataas po yung lugar ng pagbabagsakan ng itlog, mas mataas yung chance din na mababasag yung itlog.
The following materials that needed in this activity is, the first one is the egg. Next is the measuring tape for heights and pot holder for cautioning and a notebook and pen for recording the data.
And yung setup or diagram naman po namin is kumuha lang po kami or naghanap lang po kami ng mga lugar na pwede namin gamitin kung saan pwede namin pagulungin yung itlog para bumagsak po yung gumulak at bumagsak po yung itlog sa surface type na naisip namin or surface type na gagamitin namin sa experiment. Gumamit po kami ng different surface types. Halimbawa na lang po, mga babagsakan po is concrete lang or may unan or may karton na babagsakan ng itlog. And gumamit din po kami ng mga cushioning.
So in our procedure, the first step is measure and mark different heights on the drop apparatus. And second step is place the egg in the drop apparatus and drop it from the first height to the surface. And third step is record whether the egg breaks or not. And fourth step is repeat the drop for each height multiple times to ensure accuracy.
So sa data naman po, gumamit po kami ng 5. Kinuha po namin yung 5, which is height or yung taas ng lugar kung saan namin pababagsakin yung itlog. Next is yung surface type or kung saan namin pababagsakin yung itlog. And the next is cushioning, kung ano yung ginamit namin na pamprotekta dun sa itlog. And kung nabasag ba yung itlog o hindi. And lastly, kung ilang itlog yung nabasag. So, yung una naming experiment is 11 inches, which is gumamit kami ng lamesa na 11 inches lang. Then, yung babagsakan po na to na surface type is karton. Tapos, ginamit po namin cushioning is pot holder. Kinover po namin yung itlog ng pot holder. Tapos, pinagulong po namin and then pinabagsak po namin yung itlog. And nakuha po namin kung nabasag po ba yung itlog o hindi. Hindi po nabasag yung itlog. And yung number of breaks naman is 0. Next experiment naman po namin is yung 20.5 inches, which gumamit kami ng upuan. Tapos yung surface type na babagsakan po is yung pillow. Gumamit pa din po kami dito ng cushioning. And hindi po nabasag yung itlog, kaya wala pong number of breaks na nakuha, which means 0 lang po. And lastly, 32 inches. Gumamit naman po kami dito ng isang lamesa. And then yung surface type po namin is basin with water or palanggana na may tubig. Ibig sabihin yun po yung babagsakan ng itlog. So, dito po dahil tubig nga po yung babagsakan, hindi na po kami gumamit ng cushioning kasi mababasa po yun. And nung pinagulong po at binabagsak po namin yung itlog doon sa palanggana na may tubig, hindi siya nabasag na siya. Nabasag yung itlog. Kaya yung number of breaks na na-record namin is 1.
So, in our analysis, the first question is, how does the number of eggs that break change with increasing height? So, based on the result of our experiment, the numbers of eggs that broke increased when we increased the height where it falls. The experiment also proved that even if the surface is solid or rough, it proved that even in the solid, with the help of cushion, the impact or damage on the egg definitely lessened and prevented the egg from breaking. So, the number 2 question is, does the type of surface affect the chance of the egg breaking? Yes, the surface or the type of a surface affect the chance of the egg breaking. As shown in the table, an egg dropped from 32 inches onto a basin with water broke, while an egg dropped from the same height onto a pillow with cushioning, it did not break. So, this indicates that the surface type can really influence egg breakage, especially when the surface is hard type like rough and solid.
Then, sa analysis naman, question number 3, how does the cushioning material impact the results? So, cushioning material is essential in preventing egg breakage. The experiment demonstrated that eggs dropped from heights of 11 and 20.5 inches did not break when cushioned with a pot holder. In contrast, an egg dropped from 32 inches without cushioning broke. This highlights the importance of cushioning in absorbing the impact of the fall and protecting the egg from damage. So yes, makikita nga po sa experiment natin at doon po sa datang nakuha natin na yung unang dalawa pong experiment na gumamit po tayo ng cushioning is hindi po nabasag yung itlog. Then yung sa pangatlo po na hindi na tayo gumamit ng cushioning, nabasag na po yung itlog. And syempre nag-contribute pa din po dito yung height kasi po 32 inches na po yun. And syempre mas malakas na po yung impact nung pagkabagsak ng itlog. Kaya wala po, nabasag na po yung itlog dito. So important po talaga dito ang cushioning material. The next one is our real life application. So ang isa pong example ng real life application po natin is yung pag-i-improve po ng sports equipment, safety and durability. For example po, kapag po meron po tayong isang mga karate players, mga karate practitioners po, or taekwondo practitioners, or martial arts practitioners. Pag gumagamit po sila ng pads, and hindi po maganda po yung cushioning material na ginamit nila, is hindi po, maaari pong maging prone sila sa risk, or magkaroon po sila ng injury habang nag-i-sparring po sila. So, kapag pwede po natin ma-apply itong experiment na ito upang ma-improve pa po natin yung yung absorbment ng impact ng mga gagawin natin na material. Yun lang po. Thank you. Goodbye, ma'am.
So, in the conclusion, based on the data, height is the major factor in egg breakage. Also, cushioning materials such as pot holders, the one that we use in this experimentation, can effectively prevent breakage, especially at higher heights. Surface type can also influence egg breakage, with hard surfaces being more likely to cause damage. Our suggestion is to minimize egg breakage. It is recommended to drop eggs from lower height and also use cushioning materials and avoid hard surfaces. So for our documentation, in the figure 1, we can also see that it shows that an egg is dropped from a height of 11 inches onto a cardboard surface. So, in the second figure, or the figure 2, it shows that an egg is dropped from a height of 20.5 inches onto a pillow with cushioning. So now in the figure 3, we can also see, and it shows that an egg is dropped from a height of 32 inches onto a basin filled with water with no cushioning. So, it's an excellent video for everyone. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Thank you!